Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Uber credit card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. Now soon after the search bar appears at the top, type in Uber credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the search result on the next page. Click on this first link that says welcome to Barclays US. Once you click on it, soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Since your Uber credit card is issued by Barclays Bank, you'll need to go type in the credential for your credit card in the right hand side of the screen. If you want to set up an online access for your credit card, click on the Setup Online Access link and follow the on-screen prompts. In order to access your credit card, go ahead and type in your username in the first text box at the very top of the screen and head over to the password field and type in your password. If you like the system to remember your credential in this particular device, check this Remember Username box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your credentials, click on this Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username or to reset your password. Finally, after filling in the details, click the Login button and you'll be able to get access to your Uber credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.